Why would it be wetter up here? Well, this is, I don't know if I believe this yet, but so good so far. Whoa, wait a minute.
Accessibility.
Oops, okay. This is almost hard to believe that it's like pretty much. Okay, this is more like it right here. Definitely wet right here still. Maybe it's a stud. Well, even if I didn't do anything over here, that's for sure. Oh, so basically it's just the base, below the baseboards. Baseboard not gonna be wet at all. Well, let's see here. I'm gonna do the other side of the wall here. Well, let's see how this door's doing real quick while we're at it. It's a mess. Yeah, it hasn't changed at all. Yeah, I gotta change this. Water ain't gonna come out of this door for a long time. That thing's soaked.